welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I would like to share with you guys how we curate our clothes for our thrift store. It's called OKGOSTORE. So, jom! Alright, okay. First, the item datang macam ni. Hello! So we need to open this baby up. I'll show you guys from first step until the last step. Obviously, I tak larat nak angkat benda tu. So I'll ask my assistant, which is my baby, which is my hubby. Baby, can you help me angkat that? Okay, so my job is to, first step, kita tolak carpet because, by the way, kedai dah tutup. So we always buat benda ni after we close the store. Okay, here. Sometimes there, sometimes at the back room. Yeah! My strong baby! Yeah, baby, yeah! Woo! It looks like this. Geram aku! So we gonna cut this baby up. Boom! Shakalaka. Boom! Shakalaka. Boom! Oh no! Boom! Boom! Shakalaka. Okay guys, look. So, bila kita buka this thing, see how many clothes, but not all of it kita akan ambil to put at the store because we curate the clothes that we like, also our customers like. Let's start. This is the most exciting part. Look, so cute. Alright, so our method, after kita dah choose what we like, so this one kita orang akan buat like 10. Then I will count lah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we will lipat like this. Then we put on the side so we know how much kita dapat from one bunyi. Okay, so now kita orang dah settle pilih baju. So this is around 35 and Zami punya pile ada around 40 baby, 40ish. This is the one that we're gonna donate. Doesn't make the cut. So we have to kemas this, and then kita orang akan pergi drop off dekat this recycle place. Okay. For this one, I simpan here for if nak buat tie-dye. Then I'll use this as I punya base lah. Okay, so baju-baju yang kita nak, we dah choose tadi, we're gonna put it in this bag and this bag also, and then we're gonna send it to laundry. Done? Alright, so baju-baju yang we wanna donate, put it in plastic bag. Let's go. Ooh. Okay, now kita akan donate our clothes here. Kita dah donate our clothes. We makan break kejap because I'm so hungry. Oh my god, tengok over tak our dinner. Let's eat. 1, 2, 3. It's gonna be demolished by us. Okay, now we're gonna send to laundry. Alright, tadi tu dah the last step of the process, which kita hantar all the baju yang we choose to the laundry. And then tomorrow we're gonna pick up the laundry. See you tomorrow morning. It's the next day. Kita orang nak pick up our laundry. I mean our clothes yang yesterday. One bag fresh and clean. Second bag of fresh sweatshirts. Ni semua yang we dah wash. Now we gotta hang it. This is our favorite. Got one more bag. Okay, so this is some of the sweatshirt yang we picked up yesterday. Adalah lagi here and there. Because today we doing IG live, so tengah set up. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Hope you guys like the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. Bye.